Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display additional message on order received page when customer select cash on delivery payment method in checkout page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in thank you page. So we are going to add custom message on thank you page when customer select cash on delivery payment method. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see payment method, so we added COD. So COD is our payment gateway ID of cash on delivery, and then you see custom message, your payment is cash on delivery. So you can add message according to your requirement. So we added payment gateway ID COD. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to thank you page. So we are in order received page. Now you see message, so refresh the page. So this is our previous message and this is our new message. So this message only display when customer select cash on delivery payment method. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.